Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 2, leçon E. So let's see what we'll discover in this lesson, and we'll work on les pronoms toniques. So they're useful, and normally we tend to introduce them quite fast in French because you will have to use them. Les pronoms toniques, so if you remember we saw les pronoms personnels like je, I, tu, you, etc., etc. Okay, but then in that case, when you want to use this pronom tonique, normally you want to insist, okay, and then you want to use this moi form. So moi is me. So that's the main difference between moi, me, and then je, I, because je, normally you will use that to construct a sentence as a subject. Okay, normally this moi is not a subject, so it's not possible to put that right before a verb. It would be a mistake. Okay, moi, so it's me, moi. So remember this OI combination give you the sound wa wa wa, moi. Okay, and then you get toi, toi. For the masculine form, we've got lui, lui, lui. Okay, and for the feminine form, we've got elle, elle. So you can notice that, well, basically for the masculine, it does change because pronom personnel is il, okay, and in that case, pronom tonique is lui, all right. But then for the feminine form, it's the same, so it's elle, okay. And then, good news, same thing for the plural, nous, vous, okay, so they don't change. You get nous, and then you get vous, as for the pronom personnel. And same thing here for the plural form, third person of the plural. So the masculine form will change, and you get the sound remember, final X not pronounced, and then plural elle, elle. Okay, so let's see them one more time. Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. Okay, so I did prepare a few examples. So the first one, moi, j'aime le tennis. Okay, so here you can see that you start the sentence with moi, okay, so me, okay, and then you have to put pronom personnel, je. Okay, so in that case you take the e away because the verb is starting with a vowel, okay? But then j'aime. So this j'aime form, I like, or then I love. Okay? Le tennis. Moi, j'aime le tennis. So basically if you start with moi here, you want to insist on the fact that you really like or you really love tennis. Okay, let's see the second example. Toi, tu préfères le golf. Okay, préférer, to prefer, obviously. Okay, toi, tu préfères le golf. Toi, tu préfères le golf. Okay, and then here, so we've got here the masculine form. And here we've got the feminine form, so let's see the masculine form first. Lui, il adore le foot. Lui, il adore le foot. Okay, so here, lui, pronom tonique, and then il, pronom personnel, adorer, to adore, le foot. We're talking about football here, okay? Elle déteste, détester means to hate, okay? Le basket, and we're talking about basketball here. Basket, okay? Elle déteste le basket, okay? So even if you see them twice, I mean, you've got this elle, okay? Then remember that in that case, basically you want to insist, really, so you put first pronom tonique. It does look the same as pronom personnel here, but still, you get two different pronouns here. pronom tonic, and then pronom personnel. Elle déteste le basket. Okay, same thing here. Nous aimons bien la boxe. Okay, so the difference between aimer here, like I love, okay, and aimer bien, normally when you put this bien after aimer, well, it's because you want to insist on the fact that you like, you don't love something, you like it. Okay, nous aimons bien la boxe. All right. Next example. Vous détestez la natation. Vous détestez la natation. Natation is coming from nager to swim, okay? And then natation is the substantive form. Vous détestez la natation. And then the two last examples. So first the masculine here, and then the feminine here. So let's see the masculine form. Eux, so if you remember, it was eux, pronom tonique. Ils préfèrent, so préférer, to prefer, and then you can see that it's here, the plural form. Ils préfèrent la marche. La marche is coming from the verb marcher, marcher to walk, okay? La marche. Eux, ils préfèrent la marche. And then the feminine example. Elles adorent le jogging. Elles adorent le jogging. Okay? Let's read them one more time. Moi, j'aime le tennis. Toi, tu préfères le golf. Lui, il adore le foot. Elle déteste le basket. Nous aimons bien la boxe. Vous détestez la natation. Eux, ils préfèrent la marche. Elles adorent le jogging. Okay, that's it for now. Remember that I've been making other lessons, so it was a leçon E, okay, so leçon F should be online and at this address here, and then obviously the lessons from the unit 1 and unit 2 they can be found here as well, okay, and then remember the website is here and you can find more material there. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.